Hola, soy Juan from Spanish at Juan's. Welcome to Spanish Week, my one-week crash course designed to take complete beginners from zero to real conversation in just 5 days. By the end of Spanish Week, you'll be able to introduce yourself, exchange basic details like your origin, age, and feelings, ask for prices, discounts, phone numbers, and more. Spanish Week is a fast-paced beginner's course built around 5 private 50-minute lessons, each centered on an anchor question. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo estás? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿And cuánto cuesta? These questions are designed as building blocks. From each one, we naturally expand into the vocabulary, grammar, and expressions. Instead of memorizing isolated phrases, you learn to speak Spanish the way normal conversation flows. Spanish Week is perfect for beginners like you, travelers who need to learn quick practical Spanish, or any student ready to take their first step in learning Spanish. When you join Spanish Week, you'll receive 5 live personalized lessons with me, cheat sheets and PDF summaries, audio files and videos to boost your listening and speaking skills. We skip the boring grammar drills. My method focuses on real interaction and connecting Spanish to your daily life. This makes your learning fast and memorable. In just 1 week, you'll have the tools and confidence to introduce yourself, meet people, and handle basic situations in Spanish. Book Spanish Week today and start your journey to real conversations in Spanish.